Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Friday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're transmitting today from Romania, from Bucharest. We're here at the SAS Radisson Hotel Blue. Very nice, a lot of meetings today, yesterday, and really just kind of catching up on what's happening here in the Romanian market for commercial real estate, but all going very well. The hotel seems quite busy as well. Anyway, we just wanted to, it's coming up to the weekend now, and just finishing off the last day of the week. This week is we've had our partner Tetris sponsoring and partnering with us this week with the Coffee with Craig show. So thank you to the team there with some great interviews as well, which I assume we've all seen already. So anyway, just wrapping this week up, Winston Norman's got some great news for us, some highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website. Also, gosh, it's already October now, or starting October. So we've got two, it's a big month. We've got our magazine coming up for EXPO Real, the investment guide. So if you want to run some advertising or promotion in that, there's still a few days to do it. And we have basically the end of next week. Also, we have our CRE Investment Awards coming up October 20th and 21st at the InterContinental Warsaw Hotel. Very nice. A lot of new investors coming and attending. So definitely be part of the event. We'd love to have you. So a lot happening in October. It really is the month of investment. So we want to see you there, and I think we'll just shoot right over to Winston Norman now. We got a little 20-second break, and we'll come back with Winston in the news. So enjoy the rest of the week, and have a safe and fun weekend, and we will see you on Monday morning. Thank you again to Tetris and the team for sponsoring and partnering with us in the Coffee with Craig show this week.
Good morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. And here are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. I will start with Oxford Properties, and they have completed the acquisition of M7 Real Estate. This deal brings together one of the UK's leading European real estate investment and asset management platforms and a globally renowned institutional investor operating across multiple asset classes and jurisdictions. The acquisition of M7 provides Oxford with a specialist platform through which it can accelerate the deployment of capital into Europe and into multi-let industrial urban logistics in particular. And according to Joanne McNamara, she's the Executive Vice President of Europe and Asia Pacific at Oxford Properties, and she says, our co-investors are increasingly asking us to access the opportunities presented by the wider Oxford platform and portfolio of business. As such, our acquisition of M7 allows our partners to invest capital with best-in-class management team in a sector with great growth prospects. Staying in the investment sector and moving to Poland, and Deka Immobilien has acquired the Malt House offices, which is one of the largest offices in the Warsaw Brewery complex. The property acquired by Deka comprises of 7 floors, and it's of the historic Malt House building, the central garden, and the historic cellars. The office section of the building is leased to such companies as Grupa Żywiec, Allen & Overy, MDDP, and Playtika. And according to Grzegorz Diwag, he's head of asset services businesses in Poland for Cushman & Wakefield. He says it's an exceptional mixed-use project that combines a variety of services and the modernity and tradition of the Warsaw Brewery complex. The building sits in a unique historical location that will open up a vast array of opportunities for its users. Moving to Romania and staying in the office sector, and Global Earth has switched to 100% green energy in the country. Global Earth owns around 16 Class A buildings in Bucharest, which are predominantly leased to diverse and international corporate tenants. And according to Stanislas Sabkas, he's the Deputy Chief Investment Officer at Globalworth, he says, sustainable development has been at the core of our journey in becoming one of the most significant real estate companies in the Central and Eastern European region and the leading office investor in Romania. All 16 Class A office buildings in Romania are now exclusively powered by using green energy, which allows us to significantly reduce our carbon footprint and to contribute to limiting CO2 emissions. Globalworth also owns 22 office buildings and retail in Poland with a combined leasable area of over 600,000 square metres. Since the beginning of 2021, all the Polish properties use 100% green energy from renewable resources as well. And finally for today, and staying in Poland, CRE has opened its 27th retail park of the Vendo Park brand. The property is located in Wrocław, which is about 100 kilometres northeast of Poznan, and has a population of around 70,000 people. The new retail park is let to 9 retailers, as well as a supermarket, and provides a total leasing area of 5,000 square metres. The investment in this new project is 6.4 million euros. And according to Trey, they've noticed that since the beginning of the year, they've managed to open 6 new Vendo parks with a combined leasing area of 30,000 square metres. And this goes to show the importance of the retail park format in Poland, which remains very strong in small and medium-sized cities. And those are the main news headlines for today. For more news, please log on to EuropaProperty.com for the latest headlines. Thanks very much and have a great weekend.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.